Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable price alerts on Axiom.Trade. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so head on over to Axiom.Trade, make sure to sign into your account or create a free account. Now, once you find that, go ahead and find that meme coin you'd like to set that price alert on. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to pick a random one here called Sad Monkey. Interesting name for a meme coin, by the way. All right, so once we're here, you see the graph and all that, and on the top right of that, it's going to have a little alert button, and then above that says set alert, so click onto that. Now, inside of this box, we got a little drop down menu, so we can set alert above market cap or below market cap or migration. So just go ahead and choose win. So if you want above market cap, and then enter the market cap value. And now from here, I'm going to set the market cap value at 1,330,000, then set alert. So this is just purely for demonstration purposes. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete that alert, you can by clicking on the little delete alert button, and then that's going to reset it.